In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a speech bubble icon in Figma. First, open Figma and sign in. From your dashboard, pick the project or file where you want the speech bubble to live. If you're working across multiple pages or frames, make sure you're on the right canvas so you can place the icon exactly where you need it. Once you're inside the editor, we'll grab a ready-made icon using Figma's Resources panel. Press Shift+I on your keyboard. This opens a pop-up where you can search for assets. In the search bar, type speech bubble or simply speech, then give it a moment to load results. You'll see a range of icons from different libraries. Browse until you find a style that matches your design, rounded, sharp, thin, or bold, and click it. Then hit Insert at the bottom right of the pop-up. The icon will drop into your canvas, ready to use. You can now position the icon by dragging it to the right spot. To resize, use the corner handles. Holding Shift keeps the proportions locked as you scale up or down. If your layout uses constraints or auto layout, place the icon inside the correct frame so it behaves as expected when the design resizes. With the icon selected, keep an eye on the right-hand properties panel. This is where you'll adjust the look and feel. To change the outline color of the icon, look for the Selection Colors section in the Properties panel. This section shows all colors currently used in the selected element. Click the color swatch you want to adjust, and a pop-up will appear. It typically opens on the Libraries tab, which shows saved styles. Switch to the Custom tab to access the full color picker. From here, you can choose a hue, paste a hex code, or tweak opacity for a softer or stronger look. If your icon uses multiple strokes or fills, you'll see more than one swatch in Selection Colors. Click each one to set them individually so the entire icon feels consistent. After applying your color, take a quick look at the result on your canvas. If the line feels too light or heavy compared to the rest of your design, revisit the Properties panel to adjust stroke weight or refine the color until it blends perfectly. And that's it. You've added a speech bubble icon, placed it precisely, resized it cleanly, and customized its outline color, all without leaving the Figma editor. Save your file, and you're good to go.